That would be egg roll, crispy and yummy. Ooh, look at that white rice. Yep. Ooh, it's getting hot. Scoop and flip. Don't stir, baby, because if you do, it's gonna be mushy. Scoop and flip. Aunt your mama. Aunt G Ma. I don't know how to say it, but anyway. That got that oil. Got that crunchy country crock. Okay, there's the margarine and the oil. Mix them up. Ooh, that's really hard. Reach over here, pour in the batter. Yep. A little spread. Yep. You guys, I hope you guys are doing well. You're beautiful and you're blessed on today. Yes, you are. Since we're all in quarantine, okay? I know that we're just doing a lot of cooking here. So I'm going to flip it. Oh, wish me luck. 1, 2, 3, and go. All right. Yeah. Nice little tan action going on. Pat it just to knock the air bubbles down. Okay. I got that from my little sister. Yep. I like to do this too, y'all. Throw it in the air, get a little air action. That just let me know it's one hana. Go on and stack it up over there. In the back there. Wow. You feel me? Yeah. They always hungry around here. Okay? It's just because I can cook good, y'all. I'm just saying. All right. So I got this Mexican cheese and I already put my peppers, chili peppers. Okay. We get those from the hamburger stands. Like in Cali, they're called hamburger stands. Some people call them burger joints. I'm gonna just beat these eggs up real quick. All right, I'm gonna put a little black pepper, just a little bit, because remember I got those peppers in there. Then I'm gonna put just a little salt. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna walk on over here to this hot grease. Well, my hot skillet. Okay. All right, there's my hot grease, my hot skillet. Look. Okay, give it a little swirl to mix the oil and the margarine together. Skillet is real hot. That's another good thing. Hot skillet, hot skillet. Okay, hot skillet. Okay, kind of have it a little high. Have it a little high. Okay, that's a trick. And then try to get all of the egg from out of the bowl, right? So, bam. Okay, now I'm gonna take it and start working it in the middle, right? You want the best eggs. Have a nice hot skillet. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna turn my fire off because the skillet is hot. Okay, fire's off. Okay, there go that cheese. So let me get it in this bag. I'm gonna put some cheese on it. Okay, like look, sausages on deck. Sausages. Did y'all see them good? Sausages over there. Fluffy pancakes. The fluffier, the if you want your pancakes, really fluffy, what you have to do is make your batter thick. And if you want them real flavorful, go ahead and put anything you want in them. Okay, it's Sunday, and so yeah, I got that macaroni and cheese. That's that cast iron skillet. Slide on over. That cornbread, y'all. Y'all seen my video, okay? If y'all haven't seen it, go ahead and click out and watch it. That's that fried chicken over there. Yeah. And I'm gonna cover that on back up. Alright, let me go ahead. That's the salad, okay? I'm gonna put some cheese on it and some croutons. And I got Italian dressing as well as bacon ranch. Okay? That's what my Sunday looking like. Alright, y'all. Trying to keep myself busy. Like I said, I have a schedule. Okay, y'all? So, hey. Alright. To the next one. Yep. I like all that on mine. What? 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 Get a salad. Get happy. I always feel like somebody's watching me. What? And I ain't got no privacy. Yeah, secretly. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Come back and visit me again. Peace.